All right, here we go. All Terrain Cleaning Solutions LLC out doing a dumpster pad clean. So we got to get all this stuff out right here. I was told that this wanted to be able to roll out. That doesn't roll out. It's not going to come out. All behind it. We'll get all behind there. We're going to just give this a soft wash, blow all this stuff out, get this stuff out. And we'll actually even shoot this area as well. Wash this off and get it all done. Clean the inside of it. Just go on the outside of it. Around the top, you can see all the stuff all around it here. You can see all that. And of course, in the back too, we'll go ahead and treat this as well. But yeah, that's what it looks like. So I'll come on this side over here. And same thing. So it's gonna go ahead and give it a good clean. All right. Get all this stuff out here, blow all this out. And a bunch of garbage back here. And that's it.